Now we start the new question. What are the life process? Name and the main life process and explain in short. What is the life process? We have to write the name of life process and explain in short. Now we start the answer. The process that are carried out by the living organism in order to sustain the life, existence of life are called the life process. अपनी लाइफ रखने के लिए, एग्जिस्ट रखने के लिए जो प्रोसेस लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म करता है इसको बोलते हैं मतलब लाइफ प्रोसेस. द प्रोसेस दैट आर कैरिड आउट बाय द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म फॉर द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ द लाइफ, this is known as the life process. The main life process are nutrition, respiration, digestion, transportation, excretion. Number one, nutrition, a process of taking food outside of the body from the organ to inside of the body is commonly called the nutrition. जो हम बाहर से खुराक लेते हैं विच पास इन द बॉडी, ये जो खुराक लेते हैं इसको बोलते हैं न्यूट्रिशन बोलते हैं. डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनिज्म हैज़ अ डिफरेंट प्रोसेस टू टेक द न्यूट्रिशन ऑफ द फूड. मोस्ट ऑफ द फूड सोर्स आर द कार्बन बेस्ड एंड फ्रॉम द बॉडी एनर्जी इज ऑब्टेन. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द फूड सोर्सेज आर कार्बन बेस्ड. फॉर एमसीक्यू इम्पोर्टेंट, most of the food sources are on which base? So carbon base, and from these the organs obtain the energy. Now we start the respiration. The process of releasing energy from the food is known as the respiration. Before I can explain about this, what is the respiration? The process of releasing energy from food is called the respiration. The process of respiration releasing energy by burning of the food. These processes take place in the body cell, so it is known as the cellular respiration. Main two type of respiration. Number one, aerobic respiration, and second is anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration take place in presence of oxygen. Anaerobic respiration cannot take place in absence of oxygen, cannot take place in presence of oxygen, that means in the absence of oxygen. Now transportation. Absorbed nutrients transported to this all the body part with help of the blood, from which all the body part utilize the energy, obtain the energy. Digestion. The food put in our mouth by our hand, with chewing and passing through the alimentary canal by the absorption require the nutrients. Excretion. The nitrogenous metabolic waste are discarded throughout from the body by this process. In the human, it is excretion by the urethra and anus. This is most important question. Thank you.